Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am on my way to Michael's and it is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I am headed to Michael's over my lunch break because I want to see what they have, even though my friend Tracy just got back from Michael's, and then she's the whole reason that I was thinking I wanted to go to Michael's. So she put the idea in my head, but then she said all she got was washi and that it really wasn't worth the trip because there weren't any really good sales or anything. But I think we're looking for different things, so I'm gonna go anyway. And because it's my birthday and I do what I want, unlike every other day where I also do what I want. But I'm kind of, I don't know, excited to go to see what kinds of things they have so I can work on my little cards that I'm doing, which is fun. I'm loving making them. So yeah, I'm looking for Christmas stickers and stuff, and I'm not really looking for, I don't need any. I have enough stuff at home that I could make 18 million Christmas cards probably, but I just like to see what they have that might be different. I found some stuff at Hobby Lobby the last time I was there, and it's been really cute. Made some really cute cards, if I say so myself. And I say so myself. So yeah, I wish that Tracy could come with me. I wish that I knew what I know now when I was younger. Sing a little Rod Stewart for you. I know that you'd like that. You're welcome. So my birthday, I'm working from home and I've been very productive this morning. It is 11:30, so I'm just gonna go and have, you know, get a few, hopefully look at a few things, maybe pick up a couple things, and then I need to stop at the pharmacy and I'm gonna go get my Starbucks free drink, and I might have a free drink at Dunkin', I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go to Dunkin' on the way to Michael's because it's that one that has that cinnamon stuff, and I know that hopefully they still have it. I don't know if they do, but they had it when Tracy was here, and I'm gonna try to remember to get what she got, which was a cinnamon bun. I'm gonna have to ask her. Oh, that means I should probably let you guys go here in just a second so that I can ask to make sure I get it right. Cinnamon bun something. Cinnamon bun iced cinnamon bun latte with almond milk. I think that's it, but I could be wrong, so I need to find out, because what she got was amazing. And if they don't have cinnamon bun, then I'll get vanilla, and then I'll go to Michael's, and then I'll go to the pharmacy, and then I will go home and I will work, and if I find anything good I will do a little haul video, and if I don't find anything good then I won't do a haul video. And then later tonight Dennis and I are going to go to Toscano's, which is a Brazilian steakhouse. They send me a free birthday meal every year, which is amazing because it's pricey and it's nice to have a free meal. So we'll both eat for the price of me, or the price of him, really. I get mine free, so he gets to buy. Gets off cheap, doesn't he? I should make him pay double. Call it my sticker fund. He did get me a really cute happy birthday mug, and he got me a few crafty stickery things that he put inside, which is cute. It was nice that he thought of it, of that kind of a gift. And I've heard from my kids, and I've heard from lots of people. It's been very sweet, and I know I've even heard from some of you guys, so thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I was born in 1971 on March 11th, so that makes me 29 this year. No, I am 48 today. Holy moly. How did I get so old? And I should have colored my hair this morning. I forgot. And there's a man walking two doggies. Oh my goodness, they were little chihuahuas. so cute. Well, they were big chihuahuas, but they were chihuahuas, which are little anyway, but super cute. All right, I am gonna let you guys go, but I will probably be back. Okay, so I just left Michael's. I'm getting ready to go to get the pharmacy. I have my drink. They didn't have the cinnamon bun, but I got the vanilla, and it's very good. Not as good as the cinnamon bun, I will say that. The cinnamon bun was better, but it is quite enjoyable. And it's nice and refreshing after shopping for so long in Michael's. Holy moly. So it was a wow. I spent $115. So happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. And all I have to show for it is one bag. How do I find all of this stuff? I really don't know. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But that's okay. I got some things for those cards that I like to make. And someone asked me if I knew that those were old. Yeah, I know. I'm late to the game. I get it. I don't care. I'm enjoying it. And that's what matters. So they have been around for a long time. I know a couple of years at least. Probably with the ATC cards. I don't know. I used to make those cards a long time ago, so that's been a while. I don't know. I know I'm late to the game. That's why Heidi, whatever her name is, stopped selling them, and then now she's selling them again because people still like them. And some people are new to them, like me, even though we're late to the game. So I am excited about what I got. I found some cute things I'm going to send to my kiddos. Look. Little bunny, a little boy, and a girl. They were $3 and you can put stuff in them. So I thought that would be really cute. And I found some little like magic washcloths or whatever. They were only $1, the magic washcloths. You put them in water and they come into a real washcloth. Actually, you don't even have to put it in water. You just have to unfold the thing. They have it all squished up in a little... I'll show you when I do a haul, but it probably won't post for a little while because I have some videos lined up. And there really isn't a great sale other than the stickers. I wanted to get some paper, but at first I was thinking, oh, is it all Recollections? But they're not Hobby Lobby. They don't do like all paper studio like Hobby Lobby does. So I found a little bit of washi and stickers. So that's what I found. You know what? I haven't changed my clock yet either. Now I have. Love that. So I guess I don't really have much else to show you or tell you. I should do a haul, but I can't do it and drive, so I'd like to. But I just wanted to check in and tell you guys that we're doing well. And I do have a little bit of an update with my son. I think I'm ready to share some things. So he is doing very well. He decided that he wanted to do something differently. So he is living in a well, it's a house really, but it's an apartment. He has an apartment in the house, and he is not attending IU right now. He is hopefully going to be going to a community college or something like that. And I say hopefully because that's what he says he wants to do. So I just want him to be happy, honestly. It's been a lot for him, and he's had to go through a lot, and he's learning a lot, and that is all a great thing as long as you learn from your mistakes. And some of them aren't even mistakes. He's just living life differently than gosh, that's not even the right way to say it. He is making different choices than he had wanted to, or he's changed his mind. Maybe that's the best way to say it. Like he was going one way and then now he's going a different way, which is absolutely fine. He is very happy. We are going to be delivering his bed to him sometime this week. And he's in Indianapolis, so he's not far away, which is awesome for me. He would like to move somewhere else out of state, just because that's kind of what he's always said he'd like to do. So I don't know if, you know, kids are kids and they make changes and they make choices, and it's difficult. I know that it's difficult. It's still difficult for me sometimes, and I have, you know, responsibilities that keep me here, but I can understand sometimes if you were single and free and didn't have any responsibilities necessarily, it's easy to just make your own choices. So, you know, he's doing well and he's happy, and that is the most important thing. And it's taken us a little bit to get to where we are, but I think that we are in a good spot, and I am positive and happy for him, and I'm loving on him, so that's fabulous. And Katie will be here for spring break next week, and we are going to go take dinner to them, and it'll be fun. It'll be great. So I am looking forward to that, and so is she, and so is he. So yay! I still appreciate all of the prayers and the thoughts and the continued prayers and thoughts that you guys give to me. I mean, even just thinking about us and all of that, it's just amazing. So thank you very much. You are all very loved, and I feel the love in return. So thank you for that. And so that's my big update on my son, on Alex. And I'm glad that he is healthy and happy, and I'm able to squeeze him and love on him. So I'm happy. And my update on Katie is, good Lord, she's such a cutie patootie. She came to visit her dad this last weekend, and her boyfriend David went to a place called Cake Bake, which she has taken me to for my birthday, so it was kind of cute that they went. And she took a picture of herself that I will try to remember to include at the end here, because she is looking so cute. Gosh, she's adorable. I do have cute kids, that's one thing. If nothing else, I can say I have some cute kids. Leo and I did well with them. Not that we had much to do with it. God did it all, but, you know, it's awesome. And it's really cute because a lot of people, like a lot of my mom's relatives, will say that Katie looks just like my mom. So that warms my heart, because that's really cool. And Alex, I think, looks like he looks a lot like his dad, which is awesome too, because obviously I found his dad very attractive. And I think that they're just great. It's so sweet to see them growing up. It's hard sometimes, and for those of you that have had kids that have grown up and have moved out and all of that, you probably understand what I'm saying. It's just different, and it's so different to not have your thumb on things, and it's hard for me to kind of let go and to know, like, that Katie's in town and I don't even know she's here, you know, and it's okay. She doesn't need to tell me every single stitch she makes and all of that. And she was visiting her dad, for goodness gracious, you know. It shouldn't bother me, and it doesn't really bother me, but it's just so different from what I'm used to with, you know, knowing what they're doing, planning the days and all that. So it's just a new season, and I'm getting used to it just like they are. And I think it's awesome to see them spreading their wings. So I'm just trying to focus on the positive of it and know that this is how I raised them to be. I want them to be independent, functional adults who are kind and smart and happy. So, and they both are. Success! Yay! Not that my job is ever done, but yes, I feel pretty good about it right now. And Dennis started a new job a couple of weeks ago, and he is really liking it a lot, so that's fabulous. I am working from home for my job, which is different, but it's good. It's just different. And I'm kind of excited about getting back to the office. And being there for that. So, which I never, well, that's not true. Never mind. I was going to say I would never think I would say that, but that's not true. I would. I like being in the office. I like working from home too, but every day working from home is a lot different from working from home every once in a while, or even once a week, or, you know, yeah, so it's different, but it's good. I mean, I'm happy too. It's just a different, and it's not going to last for very much longer, so I need to enjoy it while I have it, and that's what I'm trying to do. What else do I know? I know I get a free Starbucks drink today, so I'm going to have to get that. I was going to get it on my way home after I go to the pharmacy, and I still might, but I still have a lot of this. But this is cold, so I can just put this in the fridge and it will keep until later. It might get a little bit washed down, but I think it'll be all right. Okay, I think that I have talked enough about what's going on, and I've filled you in on what I know, and I will talk to you guys soon. But thanks for everything. Bye.